In the early hours of Monday, Palestinians in northern Gaza experienced intense air and artillery bombardments as Israeli troops, supported by tanks, launched a group assault into the region. This escalated ground offensive has led to heightened international appeals for safeguarding lives and well being. According to reports from Palestinian media, Israeli airstrikes struck locations in close proximity to Gaza City's Shifa and Al-Quds hospitals. Additionally, Palestinian militants engaged in confrontations with Israeli forces in a border region situated to the west of the city of Khan Younis, located in the southern part of the Gaza Strip. There was no comment from Hamas on the Israeli military on the fighting early on Monday. The bombardments came hours after Israel released images of battle tanks on the Palestinian enclave's western coast, signaling a potential effort to surround Gaza's main city 2 days after the Israeli government ordered expanded ground incursions around the eastern border. Online images have surfaced depicting Israeli soldiers waving the Israeli flag deep into the Gaza border. It's important to note that Reuters has not independently verified these images. These images are emerging as Israel's self-declared second phase of a 3-week conflict against Iranian-backed Hamas militants, which remains largely concealed from public view. Israeli forces are conducting operations under the cover of darkness, and a telecommunications blackout has isolated Palestinian communities. The phone and internet cuts appeared to ease on Sunday, but telecom provider Paltel said that Israeli airstrikes again had knocked out internet and phone services in the parts of the enclave's northern sections, where Hamas has command centers. The outages have severely hampered rescue operations for casualties of Israeli barrages. The reported strikes near hospitals came after the Palestinian Red Crescent reported on Sunday that Israeli authorities had issued warnings for the immediate evacuation of Al-Quds hospital. Israel has accused Hamas of locating command centers and other military infrastructure in Gaza hospitals, something the group denies. According to Palestinian officials, approximately 50,000 people have sought shelters in Shifa hospital, and they expressed concerns regarding ongoing Israeli threats to the facility. Israel has tightened its blockade and bombarded Gaza since Hamas gunmen stormed across the border into Israel on October 7. Israeli authorities say the militants killed some 1,400 people and took at least 239 hostages.